We just walk towards sa Notre Dame Cathedral of Saigon. Ayan, so okay. So a few about 500 to 600 meter more. Okay, we're still walking towards the Notre Dame Cathedral of Notre Cathedral in Saigon, the old name of Ho Chi Minh. Okay. So here's our co-traveler. Muhindu Avenue Park. Oh, yan na pala yun. Sa looban. Alright. That one is the famous Bengi street food. Ayan. So we will still continue to go straight here. Ayan. Okay. Ito so Saigon Kitchen Vina. So we can check here yung nila Vietnamese. Pero doon sa Propaganda Bistro rin check din natin. Okay, just the next intersection we will turn dyan, right or left. Yeah. Turn right ba to? Left?
It's left.
Left. Okay guys, dito yung Saigon Postal Office at saka yung Notre Dame. Oh no! Hindi pa tapos yung renovation. Okay.
Yeah.
Hindi pa tapos yung renovation. Yep, but here's the postal ayun, ang daming tao doon sa postal office. Oh.
Yeah.
We are here na sa Notre Dame. Kaso pa siya, under construction pa rin. Okay, we will try to na lang take some shot dito. Okay? Ayan. Another shot before we go to mall. Quite hot kasi ngayon dito. Sa Dali Mami. Okay guys, this direction naman is we're heading to Saigon Center. Medyo mainit ngayon dito. this ano, teriyaki saba. And this is chicken. At kay Kuya Janyo ay ramen, kay Mami noodle. Pareho kami kay Daddy's teriyaki. Hindi matamis. Okay guys, they find ano dito. Ito. Anong pangalan ng shop na to?
Owedo Alley.
Odedo Ali.
It's actually part of the restaurant.
Part of the
That's why
restaurant?
they didn't have the that's why they didn't have the ice cream machine in the restaurant.
Okay.
They brought down the ice cream machine for this event.
Oh.
Pagka meron purchase doon sa
Ano dad?
May this
Oo nga no.
sa ano pangalan ng restaurant na yun?
Sa all Japanese.
Tinanong ko ng picture yun eh.
Queuing again dito sa Odedo Ali. We are here in Saigon Center. Coming from Saigon Center, we will go to Bentan Market. Ayan. Dito tayo, magta-turn right tayo. We came here Bentan Market. So, yeah, meron siyang Odeda ba?
Odedo.
Odedo, vanilla matcha. Papakuha kasi dyan dito sa Saigon Center. Ayan. Ayan. Okay guys, we are here at Bentan Market. Ayan. So, just a few meters away from from Saigon Center. Ayan, ayun. Doon pa pala, actually doon pa pala yung looban eh. Okay, so ano pa lang pala ito? Ito pa lang yung street going heading to the Bentan Market in Guangdong. Guys, yeah, mga salakot. Okay guys, ito. You want? Yeah, you want. Kaso you are going to wear it. Kung Fu Panda.
Akala ko si Kung Fu Panda eh.
Tanungin mo how much. Si Mami ang patanungin mo.
Dapat siya may ganon.
May ganun.
Yes.
You ask muna. Ayun na dyan, walang masyadong people oh. Okay, we are heading to this shop. Okay, galing kami rito. Kung Fu Panda.
Tinawaran ko.
Invisible. Sige na, bayaran mo na.